Today I am going to start chemistry critical. First of all, I am going to discuss marking scheme for chemistry critical. Actually, chemistry critical contain three heads, that is volumetric analysis, SWOT analysis, and content-based experiment. I am going to discussion for the distribution of mass in a different experiment. Experiment number 1, it is volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis. Carry 8 mass. Second experiment is SWOT analysis. Carry 8 mass. Third experiment is content-based experiment. It carries 6 mass. Next is the project work. It carries 4 mass. Next is class record. Plus viva. It carries 4 mass and total mass is 30. Now, actually today I want to start volumetric analysis. Actually some of the areas are given in the standard 11 also volumetric analysis. In the standard 11, volumetric analysis was neutralization reaction, but in the standard 12, volumetric analysis is redox titration. So I am going to the discussion volumetric analysis, and I am going to start one experiment from volumetric analysis. Okay. In volumetric analysis, there are two types of volumetric analysis. It is also called titration. It contains two types. One is titration of more salt and KMnO4 solution. Second one is titration of oxalic acid and KMnO4 solution. In first part, heating is not required, but in second part, heating is required. So first of all, I am going to start titration of more salt and KMnO4 solution. And I am writing one experiment related to more salt and KMnO4 solution. This is experiment 1. It is experiment 1. I have written here date also. So in this date, we have to perform one of the experiment. Name of experiment, I will write M. If we are going to performing any experiment, so first of all note down what is the aim of that experiment. Okay. Experiment is to prepare m by 20 more salt solution. more salt solution. And with the help of this solution, determine the molarity and strength of KMnO4 solution. So, in this experiment, one is the standard solution, other is the normal solution. Now the question is here, which one is the standard solution and which one is the normal solution? Solution whose strength is given, that is called a standard solution, and solution with strength is not given, that is called a normal solution. So out of two solutions, a strength of more salt solution given, with the help of this strength in this experiment, to find out the strength of KMnO4 solution. So first of all, my work, how much amount of more salt is used in M/20. So one of the formula we have to study, molarity equal to WB into 1000 divided by MB into volume in milliliter. In a question already given, molarity M equal to given, M equal to 1/20 M, W not given, going to calculate volume of the solution. Actually we are going to making M/20 250 ml of solution, so that the volume is 250 ml. MB is the molar mass of mole salt solution. So it is molar mass of more salt solution. More salt solution. So find out the molar mass of more salt solution. Molecular formula for more salt solution is Fe(SO4) NH4 2SO4 into 6H2O. After calculating, its molecular formula is 392 gram per mole. Now going to calculating how much amount of WB, how much amount of more salt is used. Molarity of more salt already given in the question, so it is 1/20. WB is going for the calculation, so it is WB into 1000. Molar mass we have to calculate it 392. It is the molar mass of more salt, and volume of the solution going to prepare 250 ml. Or 250 2000 4 times means WB equal to 392 392 divided by 20 into 4 equal to, in the simplified form it is 4.9 gram. So 4.9 gram is going to weigh with the help of physical balance. Okay, so here it is physical balance, and here is more salt, ammonium ferrous sulfate. So we will take more salt in this physical balance. Okay, now what is here? How can weigh 4.9 gram? So with the help of 4.9 gram is the little amount. So with the help of physical balance, we can weigh 4.9 gram. So all students keep in the mind, every student must weigh this much amount through the physical balance and make a solution separately. Okay. In the physical balance, actually there are two pens. In the left pen, we will put weight, and right side we will put chemical. Okay. And we will ensure that the needle must be on a stage. Otherwise, suppose that we have to put the chemical on the right side and the needle is also going right side. This indicates that right side is lighter. Okay, then we will add some more amount of the chemical on the right side. Suppose that we have put the chemical on the right side and the left side is the lighter. This indicates that left side is the lighter, so that we will take out some chemical from the right side. Okay. So I am going to start to putting chemical on the right side. This is the process. Putting chemical on the right side. Then we'll check which side is lighter and which side is heavier. Then we'll start to operating the physical balance. Now, one of the end point is here. We'll stop the end point and then observe where the deflection of the needle. Now I am looking actually the deflection in the right side, so that right side is lighter, so some more amount of the chemical is required to put on right side. Okay. Going to opening this device. Okay, now the needle is on the mean point. This indicates that my 4.9 gram more salt is completed for weighing. So we will take this more salt in beaker and take this more salt in beaker. This is beaker. Okay. Now we'll take water. Now it is more salt. Required 250 ml of water. So we will take some water in more salt. Stir well. After some time, we will observe that the particle of the more salt is completely dissolved in water. Then we will add this more salt in a measuring glass. It is measuring glass. Its measurement is 250 ml, and here is one of the line is here. This indicates that up to this line, the measurement of this measuring glass is 250 ml. We will put more salt in a measuring glass. Then some more amount of water is required to make the level 250 ml. 250 ml. We can use funnel also. Some more water is required. Now, level of mole salt solution is 250 ml. Okay. So this solution is M/20 mole salt solution. Okay. Yes. Now coming to preparation of KMnO4 solution. Actually, KMnO4 solution, we have to make KMnO4 solution. It is KMnO4 solution. It is pink in color. And KMnO4 solution in this experiment act as the oxidizing agent, and mole salt solution act as reducing agent. So that we will put KMnO4 solution on KMnO4 solution in a burette. If height is more, then we'll adjust the height like this. Okay. If we will obtain, so we will increase the height of the burette. Then if want to sort out the height, obtain it, then put KMnO4 in burette. And fill KMnO4 up to 50 ml. Okay, it is 50 ml. Now, going to start the experiment. Adjust burette so that you can observe reading very clearly on the burette. Okay. Then we will take more salt solution through pipette. here is one of the marking. This indicate that this marking up to this marking, burette has 10 ml. So if level is more, open this finger so that water go inside this pipette and level of more salt get decreased. Okay, like this. Slowly open this. So now the level is 10. So take 10 ml of more salt in a conical flask. In conical flask, we will add now I am adding 1 test tube dilute sulfuric acid, 1 test tube dilute sulfuric acid in conical flask containing more salt. Okay. One question is coming here, why I am adding sulfuric acid in the more salt solution. Actually, if I will not add sulfuric acid in the more salt solution, iron get hydrated and form iron sulfate and pentahydrate, so that to protect from the hydrolysis of iron, I am adding sulfuric acid in more salt. Now I am going to start the experiment. Experiment is KMnO4 solution is oxidizing agent, and I have taken in conical flask, that is the more salt solution, it is the reducing agent. When KMnO4 solution is come in contact with the more salt solution, iron Fe2 plus present in the solution get oxidized to form Fe3 plus. Okay, so let us, I am going to start how the oxidation process will take place. Okay, shut up. Adjust your burette, then open burette, drop by drop we will add KMnO4 solution to the more salt, but always keep in the mind the flow of KMnO4 from the burette must be slow, otherwise oxidation process cannot be completed, so that the motion of the drop must not be fast. Before adding KMnO4 solution, note down reading of KMnO4 solution, initial point is 0. Then we are adding KMnO4 solution in a more salt. Adding KMnO4 solution in more salt, drop by drop. End point of this redox titration is colorless to pink. If After addition of KMnO4 in more salt, pink color appear in the conical flask, indicate that oxidation reaction is going to completed. Motion of drop must be slow. Light pink, this indicates that KMnO4 oxidizes more salt. Okay, and one question is coming in my mind in standard 11. We are using some of the indicator to indicate whether the neutralization reaction is completed or not completed, but in this titration no indicator is used because KMnO4 is self-indicator. After adding KMnO4, if all amount of iron 2 plus ion is get oxidized to Fe3 plus ion, so that some amount of KMnO4 solution is left due to this pink color of the KMnO4 solution. Pink color appear after the over of this process. Continue the process in 4 to 5 times and always keep in the mind their difference must be similar. Now here is the final reading 7. So oxidizing reaction takes 0 to 6.5, I think. It is a 6.5. So note down 6.5. 6.5. Sort 6.5. So we'll make one of the table. I have written serial number, volume of more salt solution used, burette reading. In the burette reading I have written initial, final, difference and volume of KMnO4 solution used. Okay, so one reading is over. Now coming to the other reading. Okay, throughout the solution, now again we will take 10 ml of 10 ml of now again its level is 10. Yes, level is 10. Same process will be continued. Again we will take one test tube dilute sulfuric acid. Again start. Yes. Now for second observation, initial is for second observation. Initial is 6.5. Again going to start experiment. Now adding Chemenko solution drop by drop in mole salt solution, but speed of drop must be slow. Pink color is appeared. Need one more drop. Yes. This appearance of pink color in the conical flush, this indicate that Chemenko oxidizes Fe2 plus from our salt to Fe3 plus. Okay. The final reading is 13.
12.3, I think.
Yes, it is 12.3. It is 12.3. It is flat. Yes. Okay. Yeah, she loves it. धीरे धीरे लगा ऊपर चलो धीरे 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 हाँ डाउन करो देखो ऊपर हल्का सा करो हाँ जा रहा ठीक 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 वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड हाँ ठीक बस यस Take one test of sulfuric acid.
Yes, sir.
Now Saurabh is going to start. Yes. So wait. One hand. Wait. One hand like this. One hand. This hand is in this position. One hand in this position and put Chemenko drop by drop and this one is must be continuous second. Okay, it must be continuous second.
चलो.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, it is going.
Yes.
It is waiting for something.
15 point something. Yes, wait. Yes. Yes. No, wait. Take one drop. Yes. Yes. Yeah, don't go. Yes. Means Kevin 4 oxidizes Fe2 plus from more salt and converted into Fe3 plus. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now come to Tasin. इससे लो हाँ धीरे 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 गिरा यस यस वेरी गुड हाँ पुट this much salt in conical flask. Okay. Then add Kevin 4. Take one test tube, dilute test tube 4. First start titration. For fourth experiment, initial is again 18.1. 18.1. Yes, start. In this way, yes. Yes. Yes, motion must be slow down. Like this. This is slow. Therefore, like this. Yes. Yes. Set this. Yes. 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 Continuous. Yes. Okay. Wait. Yes. Now, appearance of pink color again. This indicates that Kevin 4 oxidizes more salt. Initial reading was 18.1. Now it is 24.9. 24.9. 24.9. So that difference is 5.8. 5.8. So again I am going to read out the observation that observed by Saurabh Kumar, Tasin and I. I have made one of the observation table, serial number, volume of more salt solution used, butyrate reading, in butyrate reading, initial reading, final reading, difference, and volume of Kevin 4 solution. Better I am going to write now. I am going for calculation part. Observation table of experiment that I have observed with two more students, that is Saurabh Kumar and Tasin Raja. First of all, make this table in the copy. It is a serial number. Volume of more salt used. Burette reading. In burette reading, we will use initial reading, final reading, then difference. Here is the volume of KMN4 used. In serial number 1, we have taken 10 ml more salt solution in conical flask. Then I have checked the initial reading was 0. Then after we have to put KMN4 solution drop by drop. Then final reading observed 6.5 and difference is 6.5. 6.5 minus 0, 6.5. And volume of KMN4 used, this much amount is used to oxidize 10 ml of more salt. This reading indicate. In second observation, again I have taken 10 ml of more salt solution in conical flask and check out the initial reading. The initial reading was 6.5. Then start the process. Then we have to find after interval of the time when KMN4 mixed with more salt solution and the final reading was 12.3. At that reading, we have to appear the pink color. This indicates that 5.8 ml KMN4 is used to oxidize 10 ml of more salt. Here some of the mistake was taken place since the first reading was observed, so that some of the difference here is there. Here we have to use 6.5 ml of the KMN4 to oxidize 10 ml. In second observation, we have to find that we have to well set up on the experiment, and that time I have to find after adding 5.8 ml of KMN4 solution, this 5.8 KMN4 solution oxidizes 10 ml of more salt solution. In third observation, again repeated and taking 10 ml of more salt solution and note down initial reading was 12.3 and final reading was 18.1 and the difference was 5.1. Means in third observation we have to find that 5.8 ml of KMN4 used to oxidize 10 ml of more salt. Fourth observation, again 10 ml of more salt taken in conical flask and noted down. Initial reading was 18.1, final reading was 24.9 and difference was 5.1, and again it is 5.8 KMN4 is used to oxidize 10 ml of more salt. Always keep in the mind this difference must be similar. If difference is not coming similar, this indicates that we are not care while handling the experiment in the lab. Okay. Finally, we have to retain concordant volume. It is 5.8 ml. Concordant reading, many times we have to find that the student is recorded the volume of the KMN4 used in different 5.6 written, 6.1 written, 9.8 written, and find out the mean value. So that is not correct. Okay, its correct value is to how many times of KMN4 used to similar. The 3 times 5.8, 5.8, 5.8, 3 reading was similar, so that the concordant volume is 5.8 ml. Calculation of experiment. In calculation of experiment, ionic equation is required. KMN4 contain MnO4 minus. It converted into Mn2 plus. Okay. Now balance the charge. Oxidation number of MnO4 minus Oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 minus X minus 8 equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 plus 8 equal to plus 7. Plus 7. Oxidation number of manganese is plus 2 on the right side. Now how can you balance the charge? The left side has a positive 7 positive charge, right side is a 2 positive charge. So after adding 5 electron in this side, charge will be balanced. Okay. Now oxygen in the left side is 4, right side is no one oxygen, so that since the reaction is going in the acidic medium, so that oxygen is balanced in the acidic medium by adding required number of the water molecule to the right side. So left side having the 4 oxygen and right side has no oxygen, so that oxygen may balance after adding 4 molecules of water. Now after addition of 4 molecules of water on the right side, number of hydrogen get increased on the right side. 4 into 2, 8, no hydrogen in the left side. Now balance the hydrogen in the acidic medium by adding required number of hydrogen plus ion on the left side. 8 plus ion. MnO4 is the oxidizing agent. Now Fe2 plus from more salt get oxidizes to form Fe3 plus, means more salt contain F2 plus ion. After addition of KMnO4 solution in the more salt, Fe2 plus ion converted into Fe3 plus ion. This indicates that Fe2 plus is changes to Fe3 plus, increase in the oxidation number. So charge may balance after adding 1 electron on the right side. Overall reaction, here is number of electron is 5, here is number of electron is 1. So that equalize the number of electron by multiplying 5 in equation 2. 5. Then cancel the electron, 5 electron, 5 electron. Now overall reaction, MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus 8 H plus, means all reactant added in left side, then all product added on right side. Mn2 plus 4H2O plus 5 Fe3 plus. This reaction indicates that 1 mole of KMnO4 oxidizes 5 mole of Fe2 plus. We have to study molarity reaction. M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Suppose that M1 V1 for more salt, M1 V1 for more salt, and M2 V2 for KMnO4 solution. KMnO4 solution. Now, value of M1 for more salt already given in question. 1 by 20 m. V1 in every experiment I use 10 ml. For KMnO4 solution, M1 is going for the calculation. V2, it is the coordinate that we have to find during the observation table, it is 5.8 ml. Okay. Now, for solution equal to 0.017 mole per liter. Now going to calculate a strength of KMnO4 solution. One formula always can be used. A strength equal to molar mass into molarity. Molar mass of KMnO4, molar mass of KMnO4 into molarity already calculated 0.017 mole per liter. Molar mass of KMnO4 atomic mass of potassium is 39, manganese 55, oxygen 16, so that molar mass of KMnO4 equal to 39 plus 55 plus 64, 158 gram per mole. Now, put the molar mass of KMnO4 in the formula. A strength equal to molar mass 158 gram per mole into molarity 0.017 mole per liter. After calculation, it becomes 2.686 gram per liter. Okay, this is our overall discussion of experiment number 1. So I am requesting all note down this experiment in the copy with date, and 2-3 things are required. Procedures are not required in copy. Write the aim of the experiment, chemical equation that is required in the reaction, observation table, then calculation. That's enough. Okay, thanks all.